Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second tutorial of the PHP course. In this tutorial I will discuss about echo and print statement. So let's start now. Here you can see the main example of echo that all example implement one by one. So let's start now. Open my folder. Here we create another PHP file, and now start tag with PHP and end tag. And now I save this file. Echo statement dot php. Here you can see echo with double quotation. Example, hello everyone. Now I save this PHP file and run into my Chrome. Before run to my PHP file, you will see the XAMPP is running or not. Start, start, and open the Chrome browser and you just type the local host and my folder name here, php course course. Here you can see the my php file, so I just open it. Here you can see the hello everyone. Now I discuss another example. If you print this in single quotation and save this file, here you can see there is no change in this name. So there is no difference between single quotation and double quotation. Here I can see you another example. So here I put single concatenate and save this file. Hello everyone. Here you can see the hello everyone. Every is concatenate with hello. Why? The reason is this dot. This dot mean is concatenate between two words. Here I see you another example. Here I print just numeric words and save this file. Here you can also see these numbers. Now I see you another example. If I put the decimal value and save it, the decimal value is printed. No, there is a difference between concatenate, that concatenate work in that concatenate work in this method, and if you print the numeric value, then concatenate is not work. It is just decimal value. Now I show you another example. I remove this concatenate and enter a tag here, and I use this tag for bold my characters. If I save this file again, hello everyone. Now this hello everyone is bold now. Here I put one or many tags here. Here I just put the tag of h1, and save this file. Here you see the hello everyone. Now I tell you differentiate between echo and print statement. Echo and print statement are very different. First difference is that I see you in this example. If I change this echo to print, and here I put a comma, and you see the error. He shows the error of comma because print statement is not use the comma. If I use the concatenate sign and save it again, now this is work. If I put again comma but I use echo here, now here is no error. Here you see the difference between echo and print statement. Friends, hope you like this video. If you like my video, so please like, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.